Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're exploring what may be the most extravagant and luxurious motorhome ever imagined. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome takes the legendary elegance, craftsmanship, and prestige associated with Rolls-Royce Motor Cars and transforms them into a rolling palace unlike anything the world has ever seen. Designed for billionaires, celebrities, and elite travelers who demand absolute perfection, this extraordinary motorhome redefines what luxury travel can be. The moment you see the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, it becomes clear that this is not simply an RV. It is a statement of wealth, sophistication, and innovation. The front fascia features an illuminated interpretation of the iconic Rolls-Royce grille, instantly recognizable from a distance. Flanking the grille are ultra-thin laser LED headlights that create a modern yet unmistakably Rolls-Royce appearance. Standing proudly above the grille is the famous Spirit of Ecstasy, redesigned with illuminated crystal detailing for the future. The exterior design blends traditional Rolls-Royce elegance with futuristic architecture. Long, flowing body lines create a graceful silhouette despite the vehicle's impressive size. The paintwork features a deep, mirror-like finish available in bespoke colors, developed exclusively for each owner. Hand-painted coach lines stretch the length of the motorhome, showcasing the brand's commitment to craftsmanship. Massive panoramic smart glass windows dominate the side profile. These windows can instantly transition from transparent to opaque, allowing passengers to enjoy spectacular views while maintaining complete privacy. Hidden storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, preserving the vehicle's elegant appearance. One of the most remarkable exterior features is the expandable living system. When parked, multiple sections of the motorhome extend outward, dramatically increasing interior space. The roof transforms into an exclusive Sky Terrace complete with luxury seating, a cocktail bar, ambient lighting, and panoramic viewing areas. Whether overlooking a coastline, mountain range, or city skyline, the rooftop retreat provides an unparalleled travel experience. The rear design is equally stunning. A full-width crystal-inspired LED light signature spans the back of the vehicle, complemented by elegant chrome detailing and illuminated Rolls-Royce branding. Every surface has been carefully sculpted to create a timeless and sophisticated appearance. Stepping inside reveals an environment that rivals the world's most luxurious penthouses. Every inch of the interior reflects Rolls-Royce's dedication to perfection. The cabin is crafted using the finest leather, rare wood veneers, polished metals, hand-woven fabrics, and bespoke materials selected according to the owner's preferences. The main lounge area serves as the centerpiece of the motorhome. Plush reclining seats offer heating, cooling, massage functions, and personalized memory settings. The seating is arranged around a transparent OLED entertainment display that appears from a concealed compartment when needed and disappears seamlessly when not in use. The atmosphere inside is enhanced by Rolls-Royce's famous Starlight headliner technology. Thousands of fiber-optic lights embedded in the ceiling recreate the appearance of a night sky, creating an incredibly relaxing environment. Combined with panoramic windows and intelligent ambient lighting, the lounge feels both spacious and intimate. A premium surround sound audio system transforms the interior into a private concert hall. Acoustic engineering has been carefully optimized to ensure exceptional sound quality throughout the cabin. The dining area is equally impressive. A handcrafted table emerges electronically from the floor, surrounded by luxury seating upholstered in the finest materials. Whether hosting guests or enjoying a private dinner, the space offers an unforgettable experience. The kitchen has been designed to rival those found in luxury residences. Premium marble countertops, handcrafted cabinetry, and integrated appliances create a seamless blend of elegance and functionality. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, wine cooler, espresso machine, and touch-sensitive controls. Moving toward the rear, the master suite represents the ultimate expression of comfort. A king-size floating bed occupies the center of the room, surrounded by handcrafted finishes and soft ambient lighting. Smart glass walls allow occupants to enjoy breathtaking views during the day, while providing complete privacy at night. The bedroom includes spacious wardrobes, hidden storage systems, wireless charging stations, personal entertainment displays, and independent climate controls. Every detail has been carefully considered to ensure maximum comfort during long journeys. Adjacent to the bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom that elevates the luxury experience even further. A large rainfall shower, heated marble flooring, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water filtration systems create an environment comparable to the finest luxury hotels. Intelligent water recycling technology supports extended travel without sacrificing comfort. Performance is another area where the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome exceeds expectations. While luxury remains the primary focus, the vehicle is expected to utilize an advanced hybrid electric drivetrain designed to deliver effortless power and exceptional refinement. Combining a powerful twin-turbocharged engine with multiple electric motors, total output could exceed 900 horsepower. The electric motors provide instant torque for smooth acceleration, while the combustion engine ensures long-distance capability. Intelligent all-wheel drive continuously optimizes traction and stability, allowing the motorhome to handle a variety of road conditions with ease. An advanced adaptive air suspension system monitors road conditions in real time and automatically adjusts ride settings to provide the legendary magic carpet ride experience associated with Rolls-Royce vehicles. Passengers enjoy exceptional comfort regardless of terrain. Technology plays a major role in enhancing convenience and safety. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and a complete 360-degree camera network help reduce driver fatigue and improve confidence behind the wheel. The cockpit features a panoramic digital display elegantly integrated into the dashboard. Navigation, vehicle diagnostics, entertainment controls, performance information, and energy management systems are presented through a refined and intuitive interface. Voice-controlled artificial intelligence allows occupants to control lighting, climate settings, entertainment systems, seating positions, and security functions using natural language commands. The AI continuously learns passenger preferences and automatically adjusts settings to enhance comfort. Connectivity is equally impressive. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, smart home integration, cloud-based monitoring, and remote control capabilities transform the motorhome into a fully connected luxury residence. Owners can monitor and manage vehicle systems from anywhere in the world. As expected, such exclusivity comes at an extraordinary price. Industry estimates suggest that the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome would start at approximately $4 million. Fully customized flagship versions featuring bespoke interiors, rare materials, exclusive artwork, advanced technology packages, and personalized design elements could easily exceed $10 million. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents the ultimate vision of luxury travel. It combines timeless elegance, advanced technology, extraordinary comfort, and world-class craftsmanship into a vehicle unlike anything currently available. For those who believe luxury should know no limits, this remarkable motorhome proves that the future of travel is not simply about reaching a destination. It is about experiencing absolute perfection every mile of the journey. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.